Hands up. That was uncalled for. Oh, sorry. Don't mind. Hey guys, what's going on? Today I had a little situation at Hagerstown. Not really a situation, but they had some pictures they wanted to send back, and there was a way that Donnie wanted them to send it back, which was to lay them down on pallets and then put them in the trailer, which I didn't quite agree with because it would have taken more room in my trailer with the amount of trash that I get. So I decided to make you guys a little video. It started out as just showing you the situation with trash and the fixtures, and turned into something, I guess, completely different.
It looks halfway clear, actually.
Hopefully that's still standing by the time I make it back to the yard. Yeah, stay tuned.
Online to all discounts of Black Entertainment, Xfinity, Editor's Rates.
No one else states or situations price.
This is firing.
Okay, Ricky, we got it. It's Ricky Smiley's Love Song.
Here he's a firefighter here.
But in all seriousness, I'm having a lot of fun doing this for you guys. So you might get more videos like this. I might do this every day. You never know. All right, so we back at the yard. Just finished dropping my trailer. Get ready to go in the yard, turn my paperwork in, and probably talk to you guys. All right, so I just parked my truck. Today was overall a pretty good day. Shout out to the warehouse. Overall, my pallets really good. So shout out to whoever had any part in loading my pallets or loading my trailer. You guys did a good job. I'm appreciative of that. I'm gonna put this video together shortly, and I hope you guys enjoy it. And so yeah, it's time to go home now. Bye bye guys. See you later.